हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम यहाँ पे पढ़ने वाले हैं हाउ टू सॉल्व द सम ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन। यस, इन द लास्ट लेक्चर्स, पिछले 4 लेक्चर में हम बात कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे हाउ टू ऐड अ फ्रैक्शन, फ्रैक्शन को ऐड कैसे करते हैं। और वी हैव सॉल्व्ड सो मेनी सम्स इन द लास्ट लेक्चर्स, लास्ट few 4 lectures we have uploaded on YouTube. So I hope you all are must watch that videos. We are mentioned in the description. मैंने आपको यहाँ पे वो सारे लिंक्स जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन किया हुआ है। So वहां पे जाके आप मेरे जो वीडियोस हैं हाउ टू ऐड अ फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज फ्रैक्शन एंड व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, और उसके जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है that is also I'll mention that and I'll solve the some of the how to solve word problems. So today I'll teach you how to do a multiplication of fraction. So let's ready students, we are solve and we are teach. I'll teach you today how to solve a multiplication of fraction. So I'll teach you first of all what is the concept of multiplication, how it's come. So let's see friends, I'll take one example. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, let's see, here we know 1 plus 1 plus 1, I'll add 1, I'll write here 1, how many times? I'll write here 3 times. यहाँ पे मैंने 1 कितनी बार लिखा है? 3 times. So that is why I'll write here 3 and which number I write here? I'll write here, मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर लिखा है? 1 लिखा है. So simple, I multiplied that number with the counting. So 3 1 जा क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे 3 हो जाएगा. So ये ऐसे होता है multiplication. Let's take one more example. So you know very well and you can clear your doubts. Suppose I'll take it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So friends, यहाँ पर मैंने 3 कितनी बार लिखा है? 1 2 3 and 4. I'll write here 3 4 times. So I'll write here 4 as it is into which number I add. मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर ऐड किया है? मैंने 3 ऐड किया है. कितनी बार यहाँ पे ऐड किया है? 3 4 times. So यहाँ पे I'll write here digit 3. So simple, 4 3 जा क्या हो जाएगा? 12. अब इसको ऐड करो, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 7 8 9 plus 3 10 11 12. सिंपल. सो यहाँ पे मुझे क्या मिल गया आंसर? 12. So let's continue with one more example and that is I'll take it a fractional form. यहाँ पे मैं fractional form का यहाँ पे जो है मैं क्या लेता हूँ? यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूँ. यहाँ पे let's see 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. That means which number I write here? I'll write here 1/2. How many times? 3 times. As you see, यहाँ पे तो simple. I'll write here 3 into 1/2 as it is. So 3 1 जा 3. न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो. न्यूमरेटर से 3 1 जा 3/2 as it is. So this is our answer. Let's take one another example. Suppose 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. So how many times? 1 2 3 and 4 times into 2/3. मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर ऐड कर रहा हूँ? I add here 2/3. How many times? 1 2 3 and 4 times. So simply I write here 4 and which number we have? 2/3. So I'll put it here in a multiplication form 2/3. So 2 4s are 8 upon 3 as it is. This is our answer. I hope you know how to we are multiply it. Let's see. We are taking one more example and all we are taking so many examples and I'll show you and I'll solve your doubts of how to multiply a fraction. Yes students, so let's ready. We are taking one more example as 3 into 1/4. So what is the answer of the question? Simply, so 3 1 जा 3 upon में 4 as it is. So we are getting answer here 3 upon 4. Suppose I'll draw figure here. Okay, so how many parts we have in this figure? 1, 2, 3. Suppose we are seeing 2 parts. So what is the fraction we have? 2 upon 3. Why? Because total parts we have 3. So that is why we are right here upon in the bottom number, and how many shaded parts in the figure? 2. So that is I will write here in the numerator, यानी कि top number. So 2 upon 3 we have. So अगर मेरे पास ऐसे how many figures है? 4 figures है. Suppose मेरे पास 4 figure है. So यहाँ पे कितने होंगे? मैं क्या करूँगा? 4 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा. So यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 2 4 जा 8 upon 3. Suppose let's take one more example. Let's see the example we are taking here. What is the meaning of this question? Simply 1/2. Total part 2. We have stated 1, so it is mentioned in numerator, and total part mentioned in the bottom number. So based on this question, 1/2 plus same as it is 1/2. So how many times we have 1/2? 2 times. So 2 into 1/2. So simple. 2 1 जा 2 upon 2. हालांकि 2 2 कट हो जाएंगे. So we are getting answer here 1. So this is the examples. I'll show you here. We are taking one more example, I think. So let's see. So we have 4 figure, and each one has a value 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Simply. So how many times add 1 upon 4? 4 times. So I'll put it here 4 into which value? 1 upon 4. 4 4 cut. So simply I'm getting here answer. Which answer we are getting here? 1. So this is the concept of multiplication of fraction. So students, आप यहाँ पर सीख चुके हैं कि मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं फ्रैक्शन को. आपको यहाँ पे पता चल गया है कि फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. So let's say we are taking one example here. So suppose 1 it is a 2 upon 3 into 4. 1 it is a 2 upon 3 into 4. I want to multiply this number. So what can I do? First of all, I want to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. मुझे इसको यहाँ पे p upon q के फॉर्म में, यानी कि सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में, अदरवाइज यू कैन से इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एज वेल, मुझे यहाँ पे इसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So let's see what can I do to convert an improper fraction, friends. So first of all we will multiply both digits. 3 into 1, 3 into 1, and we will add this number 2 upon 3 as it is into 4 as it is. Now 3 1 is 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3 into 4. So that is why 5 4s are 20 upon 3. This is our answer. Now getting one more example, so you can clear your doubts how to multiply improper fraction. How to multiply improper fraction. Let's see, we are taking one more example. So example number 2. Suppose we are taking here 3, it is a 2 upon 7. 3 it is a 2 upon 7, and I multiply by 6. So in this question what can I do? Simple friends, 7 को multiply करो 3 से, 3 into 7, so 3 into 7 plus numerator as it is upon 7 as it is, 3 into 7 plus 2 upon 7 as it is into 6 as it is. Now 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 22 and 23 upon 7 into 6. Now 23 6 are 23 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 6 2 are 12 plus 1 13 upon 7. This is our answer. Now we are taking one more example to show you how to multiply a mixed fraction. So let's see, we are taking one more example. So suppose I write here 4, it is a 5 upon 9 multiply by 12. So what can I do here? 4 into 9 plus 5 divide by 9 into 12 as it is. Now what can we are doing? 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36 plus 5, 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. So 41 upon 9 into 12. So now 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 3 cut. Now what we are remaining? 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 upon 3. So ये हो गया हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो ये थे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. आई होप आपके डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए हैं. मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं आपको पता चल गया है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए. वीडियो पसंद आ रहे हैं तो अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत एंड वंदे मातरम.